that's why a lot of people say like when we go to the gym, it is good for both our physical health and mental
emotion.
health.
Yes.
So what are you waiting for? Go to the gym.
Yes, go. Do sports.
Do sport, right? I go to the gym. I do kickboxing.
Oh, great.
I love kickboxing so much.
So I have to be scared of you.
I really enjoy that, but now I stopped for a while because now I focus more on, and I have been doing yoga for so many years. I love yoga, and from yoga I do Pilates. So I try a lot of sport actually. I
That's
also
great.
use acrobatic. You know the kind
Yeah, understand.
of look like
Yes,
the
yes.
acrobat, and now I started learning dancing as well.
Oh, great. Dancing can also give a lot of positive feelings with the music, which sound, because music can give us emotionally boost. Also positive for us.
Yeah.
And it's like, this is like getting real dopamine.